Learning how to drive in Bray or Greystones. In this video we're going to show you 5 of the most difficult junctions. Show me around today will be Danny from Danny's driving school. Say hello, Danny.
Hello, how are you, Mr.
Danny has been teaching people how to drive and helping them pass their driving test for over 16 years. So what is the first turn we're going to do today, Danny?
We're going to use the turning right on the like a steep hill from a convent road to the Wicklow Arms pub. So it's a very important T-junction. Actually, people have a difficulty in there because the turning right is very not visible. Like you're gonna see it in a second. So if you're ready, we can go for it. I think it would be the best. Yeah.
So let's do it. It's on a steep hill and it's really hard to see. Ready?
Yeah. I'm ready. So at the end of the road, I want you to turn right, Anthony.
Go, man. So there's a T-junction up ahead. We're turning right. So I've done my mirror signal. I'm actually going to use second. As Danny was saying, this hill is really steep. I can see it's on the stop line as well, so I'm going to clutch in and stop and come into first gear. This car does have auto hold, so I'm going to peep and creep past this black car and then clutch in and stop again. I'm looking left and right, clutch up to the bite. I can see that it's really hard to see.
Yeah, it is.
The good thing about this car is it has auto hold. I have my clutch up to the bite. I can see a car coming from left and right. I can see what he means. This one is difficult.
Yeah.
It's really hard.
Because even though when you see it's clear, you might have someone there. That's it.
Yeah.
Good, man. Yeah.
So
follow the band here. So we're gonna pass the Wicklow Arms pub.
The famous Wicklow Arms, yeah?
Yeah. And then you're gonna turn left into that little road there.
Very good. It looks like it's straight, but it is a left turn because the road is bending to the right.
And yeah.
So that was it. That was a really difficult T-junction there. It was on a really steep hill and there was really poor visibility right and left. I can see why learner drivers find that difficult.
Yeah, you could see that, like, even though you found a spot and then there was still a guy coming around and then yeah.
The trick with that, when you see a gap, just get it done, yeah?
That's the thing, yeah. And it's not easy if you don't have the auto hold.
Much easier in this car with the auto hold.
Yeah.
So what's the next turn we're going to do, Danny?
So the next turn we're going to do, it's in Bray. At the traffic lights right before the Royal Hotel.
Yeah. Why do learner drivers find that difficult?
It's because it's a very busy road and the turn itself, it's into a one-way street.
Very good. Okay, let's go over to Bray and have a look at this turn. Ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Yeah, whenever you're ready. So at the T-junction, we're going to turn right.
Go, man. So this is going to bring us up into Bray Village and then we're going to take that really famous right turn at the Royal Hotel. Yeah. So this looks like it's going to be busy. A lot of pedestrians.
Yeah.
The children are on their holidays from school, so it'll even bring a lot more foot traffic. I can see a stop line here. I'm going to completely stop at the line. I can't see past the building, so I'm going to peep and creep after the lady passes in front of me.
Yeah, make sure you check for there's a lot of yellow boxes here. Yeah.
A lot of yellow boxes, yeah. I can see a car coming. I'm going to stop. I'm going to look right and left. I had to move forward that time because I couldn't see. I'm going to move forward a tiny bit more and stop again. I'm looking right and left. It looks like I'm okay from the right. I'm looking right and I have to go forward.
Yeah.
It's so hard to see.
That car there.
It's so hard to see with all the people. I can see 1, 2, 3 cars from the right. I can see a bus and a jeep from the left. This is a difficult space. Is he parking there? It looks like he's going to let me go.
Yeah.
So thank you very much to him. Now I can see a lady crossing the road, so I'm not pressing the gas. And when the lady gets out my way, then I'm going to bring me clutch up. Whoa!
Yeah, it wasn't easy, huh? So, take your time. We're going to go straight through on this one, and then it's going to be the next to the right.
Turning right at the next light. So as you said, there are loads of yellow boxes here, so we can see a yellow box. You don't want to get stuck in that. While I'm here, I'm stopped. I can see a green light up ahead. It means the traffic could be bad up ahead.
And also people are crossing the Grafton Street here.
Not an easy place for a lesson, this.
No.
I'm looking through the windows of the black car. I can see a bus moving up ahead, which means they usually do get moving. It's still green. The cars are moving. Mirror, mirror. Off I go. I'm taking me time here. I can't commit to this yellow box until the traffic is moving. I'm gonna stop for this amber light and stop.
Because this one is the longest.
Yeah.
The biggest, no?
If I had committed to that there, I would have failed me test.
So are the lights you're going to turn right, Anthony?
Lovely stuff. So I've done my mirror signal to the right. So this place is busy. This is a really busy right turn here.
Yeah. We'll see how we're going to get there. Like.
So it could be a solid green light or a green filter light. And we're going to be turned onto a narrow one-way street, isn't it?
Yes, exactly. And at this moment, it's actually quite busy. Yeah.
I can see the bus moving up ahead. I'm going to inch forward because there's a truck right behind me, kind of blocking the road. So I'm about to overtake. There's enough space for me now to overtake that white van. The scooter has stopped. So perfect. Solid green light. Yeah. We're going to be turning right. I'm coming up. I have to go into the middle of the junction. I'm going to look to the right and stop. And I can see it's a narrow one-way street. I'm just looking for a safe gap. I'm looking ahead to the right. I'm watching for pedestrians crossing the road here as well. I'm keeping an eye on the lights. When I get an amber, so do they. I'm going to move forward a tiny bit for that truck. I'm looking ahead to the right. I was just about to go there and the car stuck his nose in.
There was a pedestrian as well, isn't
Yeah, yeah, good spot. There's the buses coming as well here. He's going to actually block the light. It's still green.
Yeah, careful with
I
that.
can't see the light now. It's still green. I'm looking ahead to the right. Whoa, this is a busy right turn.
Easy, isn't it?
So we're getting an amber. They're going to break the light by the speed of them. I'm looking ahead to the right and just look where you're going. That was a good right turn. That was a hard one. A learner driver would struggle on that one.
It's not easy.
And we're back. So that right turn at the traffic lights, really busy, really narrow one-way street. That is a really tricky one, isn't it?
Crazy, isn't it? Yeah, you could see the moment you found the gap, there was a pedestrian there. You couldn't turn because of that.
Yeah.
And then the bus came in as well, like about the lights. You wouldn't be able to see the thing. Yeah. So. Also,
I'd say it happens all the time. The car went on an amber, so you just have to go at the next available gap. Don't worry too much about the red light.
Good man. Yeah, that's it.
So what's the next turn we're going to do, bud?
So the next turn is going to be in the Bray Village.
Bray Village?
Again, turning right at the lights, very sharp corner.
Boom. Sounds good. Let's do it, bud.
Yeah. So, at the traffic lights, you're going to turn right, Anthony.
Lovely stuff. So at the lights I'm turning right, so there they are, there's it. So I'm going to mirror, I'm going to signal to the right. That bit of white paint in the ground's confusing. I thought they were hatch markings. So yeah, I'm in position to turn right. I can see a red light. I'm going to come into second. Off the clutch, I can see a red light for me. I'm going to clutch in and stop.
Yes, remember
very important. A lot of people go up to the middle for that. That's only green for straight only.
Exactly.
We're waiting for the green arrow.
Yeah.
So I might get an arrow now, I might not.
I think in here you'll get it again when it's getting together, kind of.
Yeah.
Take your time. And you can see already it's kind of narrow, isn't it?
Yeah. I'm just kind of looking at it now. Yeah, it's really sharp looking. We're going to be turning back up the road. It's not really a right, it is a right turn obviously, but it's a very difficult looking one. So I'm keeping an eye on the lights. I'm also making sure no pedestrians cross the road here. I'm looking at these road markings, these hatch markings. I don't want to go too far into this.
Yeah.
So I have my green arrow. I'm going to come into second. I'm going to look to the right and turn. That's an unusual right turn, that, isn't it?
Yeah. But you did it.
Yeah. I wasn't sure if that Jeep was going to stop that time, and it didn't look like he was going to. So yeah, another really difficult one, turning right at the lights, Bray Village, really sharp turn. We had to kind of turn back up the road. Pretty difficult. What one do we have next?
The next one is going to be back in Greystones.
So we're back in Greystones now, and we're going to be turning right. What's the next right turn we're going to be doing?
So we're going to do the turn right here from the main street into the Kilderstown Road.
And why do learner drivers find that difficult?
Well, it's difficult because it's like you have to go into the junction again, okay? And then after the turning right, sharp turn, and then it's going to be bendy to the left, then straight away. So yeah, that would be, yeah. Okay, so we kind of pass the pedestrian light here, and then at the main traffic light, you're going to turn right.
Lovely stuff. So I'll get through this pedestrian light first, and then at the lights, I'm turning right. I'm going to mirror signal to the right. I can see a long hatch marking here. I'm in for into third off the clutch. I'm coming into that right lane. I can see a red light. This is perfect. I'm going to clutch in and stop at the line.
Perfect. Yeah.
Into first.
Yeah.
So we can see it looks.
Yes.
I can see that. Okay, green light. So I'm going to go up to the middle as always. First car has to go up. I'm going to look to the right and stop. Looking ahead, look to the right and go. I can see what you mean, that it's really narrow because of that bush, and then this really sharp bend, and then you have to give it a little bit of gas here to probably get up this hill.
Yeah.
So yeah, I can see what you mean there, turn right into that Kildenstown Road, or whatever you call it. Really sharp, busy junction. What one is the next one we're going to do? The
next one is going to be from the other side, from Kilderstown Road, turn right towards the Tesco.
Very good.
So it's like kind of a busy junction. I don't know how it's going to be right now, but usually people get stuck in there for turning right.
Perfect. So again, another turning right at the Yellow Box Junction. Let's have a look.
Okay, Anthony, so I want you to turn right at the traffic lights again.
Go, man. So another turning right at the Yellow Box. These are always the most difficult. I've mirror signal to the right. I pick up good position just left of the centre line. Once I'm in position, S for slow on the brake. I'm in the manual, so clutch in, into second, slowly off the clutch. I'd have to take the corner off that.
I think you should, yeah, because it's like otherwise the guy's behind you.
Yeah, you have to be practical sometimes as well. It's only taking a tiny bit of the road marking off, that's okay.
Yeah, usually people are doing that. So we are kind of lucky that we have some traffic.
Yeah, it's nice and busy. This is what we wanted.
Yeah.
So hopefully we get a green circle first. As always,
that's going to be yeah, for sure. But do you know what I said? Like, there's no yellow box. There's a wire sensor in the middle. Hopefully the first guy is going to move into the junction. That's the tricky one there.
And that's why you go up to the middle to hit the sensor, so then you get the potential green arrow. Then
yeah, we'll see. Hopefully.
So green circle, so the first car is going to the middle, so is the second car. So now it's my turn to go up to the middle. There's oncoming cars, this is perfect. I'm going to clutch in, look to the right and stop. Now I'm looking ahead and to the right. When there's no oncoming traffic, no cars coming, look to the right and turn. That's a good one, yeah, I like that one.
Good man, that's it.
Turning right at the traffic lights again. I'd say if that was busier, it would be a lot more difficult. We kind of got a nice, easy run, but I'd say later on, even that'd be more busy, would it?
Crazy, yeah, actually, yeah. We try to get busier, but that's what we can do, yeah.
But we'll still work perfect.
Yeah.
And so there we have it. 5 really difficult junctions between Bray and Greystones. Thank you very much, Danny, for showing us around. Yeah. Just remember, guys, if you do want to book driving lessons in Bray and Greystones, Danny's driving school, 16 years in business, helping people to pass their driving test the last 16 years. Thank you so much, bud.
Thank you.
Really appreciate that. Really good video. Lovely, thank you.